Huawei is expected to unveil the Mate 80 series of smartphones in November in China. The brand also plans to launch the Huawei Mate X7 foldable phone in the same month. The engineering prototype of the device is said to be equipped with a 7.95-inch foldable display with around 2K resolution. The Huawei Mate X7 is expected to feature the new Kirin 9030 chipset. The Mate X7 will offer a battery of around 5,500 mAh capacity. The new leak also states that the device will come in 5 shades, namely Obsidian Black, Phantom Purple, Cosmic Red, Cloud Blue, and Cloud White. There's one with a 50-megapixel 1/1.56-inch sensor and another with a slightly larger 1/1.3-inch sensor. Feature a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with macro capabilities and a multispectral sensor to improve overall image quality. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.